Hey guys, this is Mr. Sal, and we're going to look at this problem here which was brought to my attention by a student, so we're going to go over it, and hopefully it'll help you guys out when solving equations with fractions like this. So the first thing I'm going to do on this problem is I just want to see these as fraction coefficients, because like right now I got this, it'd be like 1x over 7, and even the coefficient of x, that's a 1x right there. But I'd rather see this myself as 1/7 x, which is the same, and then plus 1x equals 5/14, because then I can see exactly how the x's are related to each other, and that they're also like terms. Now I would continue this problem by combining the x values like this, right? I want to combine those. However, in combining these, I've got two different values that have different denominators, right? We got two fractions, different denominators, so we can't necessarily add these until we scale this up. Now I don't want to change the value of this 1 right here. I want to keep it as a value 1, but I want the denominator, instead of to be a 1, I want it to be a 7. Well, in order to have a value of 1, it had to be 7 over 7 like this. See, now I've got common denominators of 7, and I just need to add the two numerators. 1 plus 7 is 8. So now I have 8/7 x equals 5/14. And in this scenario, all we need to do from this point is to divide both sides by the coefficient, which is 8/7, because anything divided by itself is just going to give us a 1 in return. So I'm going to divide the left side by 8/7, but also the right side by 8/7. Now that cancels that out into a 1x. However, we don't usually divide fractions like this. What we end up doing is changing the divide into multiply by reciprocating that second fraction. So we can take now 5/14 and multiply it by 7/8, and yeah, I would also be looking at this point to cross simplify these, the 14 and 7 specifically, which then becomes 1 and 2. Then you just multiply the 5 by 1, which is 5, and 2 times 8, which is 16. Now, this shows x equals 5 over 16, but I would check this, right? So I'd say, well, I'd have 5 over 16 over 7, and then I would add that to 5 over 16. Now, what I get should be 5/14, right? And when I push equals in my calculator, it shows me that it is. Therefore, I know that this is a correct answer. That answer is the solution to this equation because it makes the original equation true. So that's how you do a problem like this, you guys. I hope it helped you out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.